Welcome to this video on the monolith or the mycelium. Who owns the future of artificial intelligence? We'll explore two competing visions for AI's future. One, concentrated and extractive, the other, distributed and cooperative. 2025 is shaping up to be the year of the AI monolith, with massive funding crystallizing power in Silicon Valley. Companies like OpenAI and Anthropic have secured huge funding rounds, fueling a projected global AI capex of $5.2 trillion by 2030. However, this perceived autonomy is an illusion built on living labor. Millions of data annotators, especially in the global south, are required to train the AI, often working in precarious conditions for low wages. The AI ecosystem acts as an extraction engine, designed to launder collective labor into private wealth. Value moves upward from living labor through constant capital like LLMs and concentrates as digital rent held by the AI Power 100. This creates the automation paradox, or jobless growth. AI augmentation acts as a filter, favoring senior workers with wage inflation, while youth and entry-level workers face wage stagnation or reduction. We see a compute choke point, where advanced stages of AI like model training and algorithmic control are hoarded in the global north. The global south is largely relegated to raw data extraction and basic infrastructure maintenance. Technology is neutral, but ownership is not. We cannot fix extractive AI with software patches or ethical guidelines. We must change who owns the infrastructure, recognizing that AI is a design choice, not destiny. The hidden alternative is the democratic workplace. Employee-owned firms show drastically lower turnover rates, are 50% less likely to have recession layoffs, and feature much more equitable pay ratios. This brings us to two futures for AI, the extraction stack or the solidarity stack. The solidarity stack promotes distributed ownership, data as a digital commons, stable labor dynamics, and community wealth. Building the solidarity stack involves several layers. This includes subsidized compute, data cooperatives, open-source models, and worker-owned platforms with strong governance protocols. The solidarity stack in practice can be seen with the Haifa Worker Co-op. Their cooperative chatbot, Rue, is transparent, accountable, community-driven, and non-extractive, empowering worker owners. Another example is the Drivers Cooperative, illustrating the, quote, platform co-op flywheel. By changing ownership, they achieve horizontal wealth distribution, resulting in fair driver wages and community reinvestment. Reclaiming the compute layer is crucial, as democratic AI is impossible without foundational infrastructure. The African AI Sovereignty Initiative is one strategy, creating funds and subsidies for worker-owned infrastructure. The cooperative movement has a global footprint, engaging 1.2 million workers across 53 countries. Key hubs are emerging, demonstrating the power of decentralized ownership and shared prosperity in the tech sector. AI is not an autonomous force. It is the codified labor of humanity. We must move from artificial to collective, treating AI as a common pool resource, collectively governed and locally accountable in the labor commons. Hope is a decision. To build a system where technology serves the majority, we must demand democratic workplaces, invest in the solidarity stack, and occupy the new space. Each failed experiment provides the foundation for the next success.